Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you the exact locations to buy the bone charm. So it must have item to cut the bones wheel, especially if you are working on the element rod quest. First, just go to sacred temple like this, and once you're there, just head to the area near the entrance door. This one, this one. At this spot, you can find the bone charm, and this charm costs for 70,000 coins. So make sure you have enough coin to buy it, like this. And after buy it, the charm is automatically used, like this. It will automatically use when you're fishing on this area. When you're fishing, and so you don't need to equip anything. And one bone charm lasts for 50 cuts. That while fishing, this charm will increase your chances of catching the bone whale, that making the quest much easier and faster. And okay, maybe that's it. Now you know where to buy the bone charm and how it helps. And just good luck and happy fishing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.